Ishimwe Naomi, the former Miss Rwanda, continues to inspire many people beyond the beauty alone. Known for her elegance, confidence, and strong voice on social issues, Naomi has successfully transitioned from a beauty queen into a lifestyle influencer and role model together with her husband, Michael Tesfay. She represents a modern couple that blends love, purpose, and trendsetting in today's society. As they celebrate 1 year of marriage, their journey reflects growth, partnership, and influence in lifestyle and social trends. Thank you for watching my videos. Remember to support me by subscribing, liking, commenting, and most importantly, play the video until it ends. This is Diane here on Life and Trends. Welcome to my channel. After officially tying the knot with Michael Tesfay, Ishimwe Naomi entered a new chapter of life built on a championship, respect, and shared values. The relationship has attracted public admiration due to its maturity and simplicity rather than focusing on extravagance. The couple emphasizes emotional support, faith, and personal growth.
I've walked into rooms where I was celebrated, yet deep down I questioned if I even belonged there. When I look back at my short life, I almost can't believe all that I walked through in so little time.
If you read the book, don't read the book by just like seeing the cover. Oh yeah, Naomi, what can I get from her? No, open it, read it, see what you can learn from it. This is all I have to share.
Their first year together has been marked by learning patience and building a strong foundation for the future. Ishimwe Naomi has always been vocal about self-development and healing. Through her public talks, interviews, and writing, she encourages young people, especially women, to value inner strength and authenticity. Marriage has added another layer to her lifestyle content, where she shares lessons about balance, responsibility, and teamwork. Michael Tesfay is often described as supportive and grounded, complementing Naomi's public life with stability and encouragement. As a modern public figure, Ishimwe Naomi remains active on social media where she shares lifestyle content related to fashion, wellness, faith, and daily life. Together with her husband, she reflects a trend of international living, choosing purpose over pressure and values over validation. Their content resonates with many young couples who look up to them as an example of a healthy relationship in a digital age.
Lifestyle. As with some. There you go.
Ready, Naomi.
Hello, welcome to More Than a Crown giveaway series.
Today, we're happy to present that XOXO Tasty Bites has donated 10 books and tickets to the book launch.
So, I know you're wondering how you can be able to be one of the lucky winners. All you need to do is follow their Instagram page, XOXO by Tasty Bites. Make sure if you go there, if you order a meal, take a picture with it and just comment down below. And the most liked comment, you'll be one of the lucky winners. And since we have 10 books, we are a little bit nicer today. So, yeah.
Please follow XOXO Tasty Bites
And get a chance to win ticket and the book to the book launch. I can't wait to see you guys.
Don't forget to comment under this video.
We're gonna come back again with another giveaway very soon. And thank you so much to the people who keep buying books to just give it to people who can really afford it now, because it's December. I'm trying to understand,
It's the season of giving.
It's the season of giving, so we're calling out. And thank you so much to XOXO by Tasty Bites. Thank you very much.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Beyond the trends, the couple's influence lies in their message. They show that success is not only about visibility, but also about integrity and growth. Ishimwe Naomi continues to use her platform to inspire confidence, resilience, and hope, while her marriage highlights the importance of partnership and mutual respect. As Ishimwe Naomi and Michael Tesfay celebrate 1 year of the marriage, their story stands as a symbol of modern love rooted in values, growth, and purpose from lifestyle to trends. They represented a generation that chooses authenticity over appearance and meaning over noise.
They say work hard and you'll get ahead, but I'm just breaking my back instead. Clocking in just to pay that rent. Ain't much left when the day is spent. Boss man talking about living the dream that's built on my routine.
Their journey is not just about being seen, but about living intentionally, and that is truly sets them apart. Thank you guys, thank you. This is the end of the video. Thank you for being here from the beginning up to the end. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.